I'm Arrnott Olssen. I'm teaming up with Johnny Bigg to bring you Big Dude Food. So guys, I know hosting dinner might be daunting. Here's my easy to make Dukkah baked salmon with Harissa roast veggies and hummus salad. So gents, we're starting with 4 equal sized pieces of salmon and we're going to pat it dry before we dress it and pop it in the oven. Once you've seasoned the skin side, flip it over into the tray and do the same on the flesh side. Okay gents, while the salmon is baking, let's assemble the harissa roast vegetable and hummus salad. Here's a tip. Pre-roast your veggies the night before. Now you can choose whatever you want, whatever's fresh and in season. We've used carrots and beetroot. Pomegranates bring a little pop of not just juice, but a little bit of sweetness and tartness at the same time. And that will balance out the beautifully caramelized roast veggies. To brown up the Dukkah mix on the top of the salmon, we've left it in the oven under the grill for just a few more minutes, not too long, and then we've brought it out. And it's given it a lovely little toasty color. Here's our Dukkah baked salmon with the roast harissa vegetable and hummus salad. As an extra, serve some beautiful sourdough on the side with a little bowl of extra virgin olive oil that people can dip into.